Sup guys, and welcome back to my channel Everything Nat, and today I'm transforming my mom's hair from this to this. Okay honey, so she is gonna be rocking some passion twist. Okay, but before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and of course hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. So let's get it. So tip number 1 is applying a tacky styler. In my case, I love using Shine and Jam. You can also use any type of edge control. It helps to smooth the hair out and give you a nice clean part. Especially since her hair is short, I don't have to use clips. I just put some Shine and Jam on my comb and it keeps everything out of the way. I also like to add a bit of Shine and Jam on my comb and comb through her hair. Tip number 2, stretch, don't comb. Now this is the passion twist hair I have from a company on Amazon called Liyate Hair. The link will be in the description down below. And this is how it comes. But of course we're not going to use it like that. Most people like to brush it or comb it out. But I find just holding the two ends and pulling on it a little gives you a more natural separation of the hair and helps you avoid most of the tangles that will come if you brush it. So this is how we get ready to do our passion twist. Now I like to start off with a braid, especially since her hair is shorter and her texture does not match the texture of the hair. So first what I do, I separate away 1/3 of the hair from the entire bunch, and I use that smaller piece and loop it through the larger piece like so, creating a loop where you have 2 larger pieces on one end and the 2 smaller pieces on the other end, which we will join to make one piece. Now to get ready to braid, insert your pointer finger between the 2 larger sections and clasp it firmly with your thumb. Then loop the other larger piece over your pointer finger, also clasp that with your thumb. Now the last 2 small sections, which will be joined as one, we loop that over our middle finger and also clasp it with our thumb. So now for the section of hair, that one little section that we made, that will be one braid, go ahead and separate that into 3 pieces so you'll have one little piece for each section of hair. Now first we'll clasp the first section between our middle and thumb finger, then the next section will go between the middle and pointer finger, and the next section will go over the pointer finger and be clasped by the thumb. Then you go ahead and braid as you would a normal braid. Now make sure as you braid you continue to add your tacky styler so that it will prevent the client's natural hair from separating away from the synthetic hair. Now when you braid as far down as you would like, it's time to create your twist. Now this is one way you can do it. You can combine one of those larger pieces with the smaller of the 2 pieces and create your twist like this. Let's see that again. We go ahead and part our section out, comb it out with some Style and Jam or any tacky styler, then separate away 1/3 of your synthetic hair and loop it through the larger section, creating a loop like so. Then you'll insert your pointer finger between the 2 larger sections, wrap the other one over the pointer finger, and you attach them to the 3 sections of hair and you braid as you would a normal braid. Now, another way we can create the twist, after you've braided down to where you want to stop, you can take the middle section of that braid or one of the 3 strands of the braid and split that in 2 to create the twist, like so. Tip number 3, polish it up. So make sure you clip any straggly ends away and use some styling foam. This not only gives movement and body to the roots of the hair, but it also helps to prevent the person's natural hair from separating away as well. And this is the finished look, guys. This is her first time ever having passion twist, and this hair is absolutely amazing. It's actually longer, but I had to cut it in half because she didn't want her twist to be so long. But this hair is from a company on Amazon called Liyate Hair. The link to their store will be in the description box below if you want to pick this up. It comes in bundles of 6 packs, and I only ended up using 3 packs of hair on her head because she doesn't like it too bulky. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.